On December 24th, RSS leader Prabhakar Bhat made a controversial statement in Mandya. He stated that Muslim women have finally got permanent husbands after the triple talaq case verdict. He was praising Narendra Modi for this decision. However, this has led to an outrage. An FIR was filed after activist Nazma Nazir filed a complaint in the police station. However, the High Court of Karnataka has stalled his arrest for a while. Now this has led to a massive protest here in Bengaluru. Today we are here at Freedom Park where protesters from several organizations have gathered here condemning the statement.
Prabhakar Bhat ke
Very recently, one Kalladka Prabhakar, who happened to be thrown out from the RSS and BJP, and he and his people have given statement against the women of the state. Either women of the state and whichever place, all the women are either somebody's mother or somebody's sister or someone. And he has demeaned all the ladies by saying that every lady will have two husbands, one husband every day and all those things. And it's very bad and it's in very bad taste, and he is not up to the mark to be as an Indian citizen. We, the people of India, we, the people of Karnataka state, we demand the government to put him behind the bars and take appropriate action against him. That's our demand. All the organizations of Karnataka have joined here at the Freedom Park to demand the government his immediate arrest.
This is, he is participating in the Hanuman Jayanti, which is really a dignified Jayanti where he is a Rama Bhakta. So he is a Rama Bhakta. He's supposed to, Kalladka Prabhakar is supposed to speak about Rama, Sita, and might be he has forgotten why Rama has killed Ravana. Because he disrespect the woman, Ravana, so Rama was killed Ravana. But he forgot that statement, and with by such a respectful stage, he has made the same mistake. He behaved and he spoke like a Ravana. So I request all my Kannadigas, this is really a Rama Janmabhoomi, this is a Rama Nela, not the Ravana Nela, where Rama did not kill Ravana just for, he made disrespect to his wife, because he killed Ravana because he disrespect to a woman. So with the same land, with the same stage, if you are making such a hateful disrespect statement, that means the people who are enjoying this statement, they should have teach them a lesson that this is the Rama Nela, not the Ravana Nela.
The way they've responded to Kalladka Prabhakar's hate speech, it sends out a strong message that, like misogyny is accepted. And we see misogyny being normalized at so many levels, and it cannot be, like, they need to make an example out of this in the way they respond to it, and hold them accountable and seek a certain kind of change, like it's not just Kalladka Prabhakar. Kalladka Prabhakar is just the tip of the iceberg, and there are so many people who have done like way worse, said worse things about women and like about marital relationships and relationships breaking, or people having more than one, spouse. So all of these things, like if you're gonna take a public platform and make such personal statements and say hateful things about personal choices that people have made, that needs to be challenged, and the Congress government needs to do something and challenge such speech.
So we demand arrest because it is an heinous crime. What Prabhakar said, that is
insult to the women community. It is not one particular religion. And admittedly, he is a habitual. He is having a number of criminal cases. I don't know why police are kept mum. At least at this juncture, they have to arrest immediately.
हमारा गवर्नमेंट से डिमांड यही है कि जो औरतों के लिए इतना नीच अल्फाज इस्तेमाल किए गए हैं तो इसके खिलाफ एक्शन फ़ौरन लिया जाए और जो भी इस तरह के जो है लैंग्वेज यूज़ करेंगे, इस तरह का कहेंगे, उनको सख्त से सख्त जो है सज़ा देनी चाहिए. आइंदा जो है किसी की भी ये जुर्रत ना हो कि औरतों के मामलात में जो है इस तरह की बात कोई किए.
See, in this case of Kalladka Prabhakar, this is not an isolated case. This is happening every day for the past 10 to 12 years. And this is not nothing new. So here we are protesting not just against one statement. It's against the entire mentality of what's happening. This is a kind of supremacy being imposed on the entire population, saying that you guys, you people are under us, so you better listen to us. That is the kind of mentality that we have to oppose here. It is not just one instance where if he gets arrested, it will not go away. So we as activists also, we oppose that mentality, the supremacy and the superiority of mentality, and we condemn it. In fact, why this is happening? Because they say that we have pride in our culture. What is the culture here? Culture is oppression of so many centuries. Is this what you are proud of? No. You should be actually ashamed of your whatever has happened. So you have to bow your head and say sorry.
This culprit, Mr. Kalladka Prabhakar Bhat in Bangalore, he is given such a bad speech saying that he doesn't mind the respect for women. He doesn't give respect for women. We, the women in the movement sisters, want justice. We say that he should be arrested and given a proper punishment. We ask the government, the Congress government, Mr. B. Zamir Ahmad, Mr. UT Khadar, and all our Muslim leaders. He is not only spoken for a particular people, he is told for the whole Muslim community. We say that his sisters, his daughters, children, mothers, aunties, everybody all come under that only. If they have a little bit of shame, at least then they'll have to fight for us, fight for the Muslim community.
प्रभाकर भट्ट, लफ्ज़ भट्ट है ना, अच्छे लोग हैं ये, लेकिन ऐसा आदमी भी भट्ट लोगों में है प्रभाकर जैसा, तो हमें बहुत ताज्जुब होता है, आश्चर्य होता है. इसने ये न सिर्फ कर्नाटक के महिलाओं के बारे में कहा है, पूरे इंडियंस के बारे में कहा है. और ऐसा आदमी आज भी बाहर रहता है, बाहर घूम रहा है और फिर रहा है, और कर्नाटक सरकार भी कोई एक्शन नहीं लेती है, तो इस पर ताज्जुब है. कर्नाटक सरकार को मालूम होना चाहिए कि बीजेपी सरकार को हटाकर कांग्रेस को लाने में जहां माइनॉरिटीज़ ने काम किया है, वहां महिलाओं ने बहुत बड़ी संख्या में काम किया है. हमने काम किया है मिलजुल करके, लेकिन आज कर्नाटक की सरकार इस पर बहुत खामोश है. इस पर हम कर्नाटक सरकार से मुतालबा करते हैं कि प्रभाकर भट्ट को अरेस्ट करे फौरी, उसे जेल में डालना चाहिए. ऐसे लोग बाहर रहने के काबिल नहीं हैं. जो लोग महिलाओं का आदर नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे लोग कैसा रह सकते हैं बाहर? उनको जेल में रहना चाहिए.
इस शैतान या जो भी बोलेंगे कम पड़ेगा उसके लिए. ऐसे इंसान जिसमें औरत के लिए रेस्पेक्ट नहीं है, वो इंसान कहने के लायक नहीं है. उसने मुस्लिम को नहीं टारगेट किया, तमाम कम्युनिटी को टारगेट किए जैसा. तो वो औरतों को कहता है कि मुस्लिम औरतों को टारगेट करके कहता है कि ये एक मत काफ़ी नहीं है. आई डोंट नो कि मुस्लिम गवर्नमेंट सरकार ने, मोदी सरकार ने हम लोगों को परमानेंट मर्द दिया है, उसको समझ नहीं आता. वो कौन हमारे को परमानेंट हस्बैंड देने वाला, जबकि मोदी खुद परमानेंट हस्बैंड नहीं बन सका अपनी वाइफ का. वो हमको क्या परमानेंट हस्बैंड देगा? हमें शर्म आती है. ऐसे इंसान के ऊपर एक रेस्पेक्ट की एज है, उसकी बूढ़ा हो गया, फिर भी एक सेंस नहीं है उसको. एक औरत को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं दे सकता, तब तक वो मर्द कहने के लायक ही नहीं है. ऐसे इंसान को डूब मरनी चाहिए और इसे कड़ी से कड़ी सजा मिलनी चाहिए.
They have very clear agenda to make people feel so bad about the other community. That's something which is the whole purpose. So as to consolidate Hindu votes as against others. and that seems to be the only focus. And this has been going on for quite some time. It's not something new. And when that's precisely the reason why that the people have in this state elected Congress government, it will maintain that law and order. If the government is not doing it, I think very serious questions are being asked. Who are you? How different are you from the other? Are you supportive of the same kind of characters out here? And if that's the purpose for which we have been electing you, why should people vote for you? And that seems to be the serious question people are asking now.
After yesterday's that he got an interim bail. Like bail for what? He's put on non-bailable acts. How can he get a bail? It's such a... I can't even express my disappointment from the government. We expected, we put votes, we contested our valuable votes to the government, hoping that they will protect our rights, like they'll protect women's rights. But it's completely opposite from it. Like yesterday, the government is like, now Bandi Salla. Now Bandi Salla what? Why are you not arresting him? He openly is insulting women. Why is he not? Why is he not arrested? There are many people, just a small thing they do, the government put on UAPA, sedition case, NIA, blah blah, everything they put. But why this is not taken? Why the action is not taken for this? He is not only insulted Muslim women, he insulted the whole womankind. He is born from a woman. It's like he's insulting his own mother too. And one more thing I would say is like Muslim women are like finalizing husbands. We are not customizing something. We are not going to supermarket and like, I want him, you want him. Why would we select? We are happy with one. We don't want many husbands. We are satisfied what our parents have chosen, what God has chosen for us. And the man himself, he was not a finalized husband. Modi, his wife only did not finalize him. He left his wife. What he's expecting us that we will select. We are not choosing colors or something. It's about a human. And that too, insulting women, shame on you.
As of yet, Prabhakar Bhat has received anticipatory bail from the court. However, the protesters here demand strict action from the government as well as his arrest. They also expect Bhat to give a public apology regarding the statement made on women. We'll get to know about these developments after the next hearing of the court. Until then, let us know in the comments below what is your opinion about these statements. This is Akshita Mehta reporting for Daily Salar Digital. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.